Right, Lanai. So in this video, we will be discussing from question number 21 to 30. So far, we have discussed all the first 20 MCQs. So here we will be discussing from question number 21 to 30. Right. Question number 21. The first and the last IP addresses of a local area network are 192.168.8.1, 192.168.8.1. Then the last one is 192.168.8.126. So which of the following is the subnet mask of the network? Lama, very simple because so you have given the first and the last host. ඒක ඔයාලට දැක්කම තේරුම් ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. මේකේ first network එකයි last කියන්නේ first network address එකයි broadcasting එකයි නෙමෙයි මේ දීලා තියෙන්නේ. First host එකයි last host එකයි. So the network address is 192.168.8.0. The broadcasting address is 192.168.8.127. 127. It means the next network address is 192.168.8.128. So when you comes from this networks to this, so you add the block size, you have added 0, 128. It means the block size is 128. It means very simple, Lamai. So your block size is 128 means 256 minus x should equals to 128. මේ x කියලා කියන්නේ අපේ subnet mask එකේ හතරවෙනි octet එකේ value එක. So your subnet mask should be 255.255.255.128. පැහැදිලි කියලා හිතනවා. හරි? අපි block size එක add කරලානේ එක network එකකින් ඉඳන් තව network එකකට යන්නේ. එතකොට අපි block size එක හොයාගත්තා නම් reverse විදිහට ගියාම අපිට subnet mask එක හොයන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් මෙච්චර දවසක් වා subnet mask එක හොයාගෙන A through නේ block size හොයාගෙන network ටික හෙව්වේ. දැන් එහෙම නෙමෙයි network ටික හොයාගෙන A through block size එක හොයාගෙන අපි subnet mask එක හොයපු එක තමයි කරේ. So your answer should be the second one for the question number 21. Question number 22. 192.256.0.0. What is the class of this IP? Lama, this is an invalid one because 256 cannot be in an IP address. In an IPv4 address, there cannot be values greater than 255. Therefore, answer should be the third one for the question number 22. Which of the following is the best subnet mask for a point-to-point link? Lama, point-to-point link means there are only two computers and there is point-to-point link, right? If this is the computer 1, so if this is the computer 2, we have connected these two together. There are only two computers. If there is only two computers, it means 2 to the power y minus 2 should equals to 2. So y should equals to what? Y should equals to 2. It means there should be two host bits in your subnet mask. ඔයාගේ subnet mask එකේ host bit තියෙන්න ඕන දෙකයි. Host bit දෙකක් තියෙන විදිහට ඔයා subnet mask එක හැදුවොත් your answer should be 255, 255, 255, 252. Answer should be the second one. Is that the second one? Two host bits තියෙන්න හැදුවොත් ඒ කියන්නේ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the last octet in your subnet mask. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So you have to add all these ones together without these 3. එනවා ඔයාගේ එන්න ඕනේ 152. ඕක ඔයා binary කරපු එක decimal කරලා බලන්න 252 වාට එනවා. Answer should be the second one. Right. Question number 24. Consider the IP address 192.168.1.0 and the subnet mask 255.255.255.248. How many host addresses are there in each subnet? Very simple. 248 means there are only 3 host bits in the net in the host part. It means 2 to the power 3 minus 2. Answer should be 6. It means answer number 3. Question number 25. A host in a network has the IP 172.24. 38.13/19/19 means the subnet mask should be lamai 255.240.0. 240.0. Is that 240? No, 224.0. Yes, 19 means 8, 16. Yes, 224.0. Answer should be the third one for the question number 25. Question number 26. Which of the following is the broadcast address for a Class B network ID using the default subnet mask? ළමයි class B network එකක් ඔයා ගන්නවා නම් class B network එකක අපෙන් අහන broadcasting address එක default subnet mask එක ඔයා ගත්තොත් default subnet mask එක කියන්නේ 255.255.0.0. ඒ කියන්නේ මේක තමයි host part එක. එහෙනම් අපි මේක network කරලා නැත්නම් අනිවාර්යෙන් class B වල default subnet mask එක අරගෙන ඔයා network එකක් හදලා තියෙනවා නම් ඒ network එකේ broadcasting address එක වෙන්න ඕනේ last two octets 255 වෙන්න ඕනේ. හරි ඒ කියන්නේ subnets වෙලා නැහැ කියලා කියන්නේ අපි මේක හිතමු IP address එක 172.10.0.0. මේකනේ host part එක. එහෙනම් මේකේ broadcasting එක වෙන්න ඕනේ 10.255.255. ඕක තමයි වෙන්න ඕනේ. So your answer should be the IP which consists 255 in the last two octet. It means you can get the answer as answer number 3 is also correct. Answer number 4 is also correct, Laman. Answer number 4 is also correct. Therefore, we can get the both answers C and D. Both answers C and D. Right. Question number 27. Question number 27. You have an IP address of 172.16.13.5 with a subnet mask 255.255.255.220.128. What is the class of the address, subnet mask, and the broadcasting address? Subnet address and the broadcasting address. It means the network address and the broadcasting address. Now my class is class B. Therefore, you have only three answers B, C, and D. Then the subnet. What is the subnet, Lamai? So this is a class B address. So you have given the what? You have not given the default subnet mask. It means this has been subnetted. So the default subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. The given subnet mask is 255.255.255.128. How many subnets are there? 2 to the power 9. It means 512 subnets තියෙනවා. හරි 512 තියෙනවා. හැබැයි 512 තිබ්බ පළියට අපිට මේ ඔක්කොම ලියන්න බෑ. අපි මේ දීලා තියෙන IP address එක අයිති වෙන network එක හොයාගන්න ඕනේ. So, I'm going to write the first network. Always the first network is the network which has 0 in its host part. 172.16.0.0. Then to find the next network, you have to find the block size. Block size is 256 minus 128. The block size is 128. It means you can find the next networks 16.16. You have to add the block size to the last octet 0.128. Next one 172.16.1.0, 172.16.1.128. Likewise, it is increasing. So in this question 172.16.13.5 means your network should be 172.16.13.0. මෙන්න මේකේ තමයි 13.5 කියන එක තියෙන්නේ. මොකද 1යි 100.128යි 128යි කියා වැඩි වෙනවා. ඒ අතර මේකත් එකින් එක වැඩි වෙනවා. 0 1 2 3 4 ඒ විදිහට 13ට එනවා. 13යි 0 කියන එකේ තමයි මේක තියෙන්නේ. So your network address should be 172.16.13.0. Then the broadcasting address, the next network is Lamai 172.16.13.255. It means the broadcasting address is yes, broadcasting address means so no, this is not the next address. This is the next address 13.128. So the broadcasting address is 13.127. Therefore, answer should be answer number 2, B. Class B subnet is 172.16.13.0. Then 13.127 is the broadcasting address. Therefore, answer should be the second one. Then for the question number 28, if you wanted to have 12 subnets with a class C network ID, what is the subnet mask you should use? Right. So for a class C network, the default subnet mask is Lamai, but the default subnet mask is 255, 255, 2550. So you need to have 12 subnet. It means 2 to the power x should be equals to 12. So x should be equals to 4. It means you have to take 4 host bits from the host part to the network side. Your new subnet mask is 255, 255, 255, 240. Answer should be the third one for the question number 28. For the question number 29, the combination of blank and blank is often termed the local address of the local portion of the IP address. What it is saying? The combination of blank and blank is often termed the local address of a local portion of the IP address. Subnet number and the host number. Often termed the local address of the local portion of. It's a bit complicated. We cannot understand what it is saying. Network number means sometimes they are saying that about the network bits. Now let's skip the question number 29. So you can mark the question number 29 as all because it's a bit complicated and I also cannot understand what is mean by what is the meaning of the sentence they have given. අර දීලා තියෙන sentence එකේ තේරුමත් අපිට නිකන් තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ වගේනේ ඒ දීලා තියෙන විදිහට. And network number කියලා එකක් නැහැ. Network bits ගාන වෙන්න ඇති ඔය කියනවා ඇත්තේ. So we will skip that question. Question number 29. Then question number 30. What is the class of the IP address? The class is 192.68.7.255 means class C. Answer should be the third one for the question number 30. Wait, I will check the 29 again. The combination of blank and blank is often termed the local address of a local portion. Network number එකයි host number එකයි කියලා ගන්නත් බෑ. Right, we will skip that. Oh no, don't skip. No answer කියලා ගන්නත් බෑ because we cannot understand the question. Right, we will skip that question. Question number 29. So you can mark it as all. Right. That is the end of until question number 30. So we will discuss from question number 31 to 40 in the next video.